Hello guys, welcome to what is the first SJP, SJP Model Railways. Sorry, trying to anyway get the what's the name of the channel back in my head, because I'm more used to doing the OD coins intro. It seems it's just gonna be me today, just doing the recording. Hopefully we'll have other people in the next video potentially. And basically, as you can see, we've got a flying Scotsman. Then you have what's my own kind of named locomotive, which is William the Conqueror. They're both very nice models. I'm pretty sure they both use the XO4 motor, so they are actually made in Britain. My only issue with my flying Scotsman, which developed yesterday, is that though it runs, I don't quite have the connection anymore, so I need to buy a new chassis for the locomotive, which is not exactly the best circumstance. So for the video, what we'll do now, let's just quickly have a peek. Obviously, as it's the first video, it's probably not going to be a very good video, so I'm not sure what to say or do. But as you can see here, it's quite a nice, more matted paint, well, not paint, actually a paint on the locomotive. I promise I did not chew this tender. It came like this. I have not been chewing on it. I promise I have not been chewing this tender. But no, yeah, I'm not sure what happened to this. I only received this locomotive like 3-4 days ago. Something like that. It's quite a nice tender. But as it's standing for today, we're going to be using William the Conqueror's tender, which is a more of a glossy paint. But what I did like about it is that you'll be able to hear... Oh. It has a chuffing tender. So we'll just do a simple back and forward test, because all I already have is a straight bit of track. I'm not using a power thing, I'm just using a 9-volt battery. Oh, so it might be a bit jolty. Is it? Oh, there we go. Oh, whoops. I'm not sure if that's the locomotive itself or me. This is rather peculiar. Oh, you can't actually see the train right now, which isn't exactly ideal. So I do apologise about that. Oh. So it is a fairly good runner. Now, I'm not exactly very good at this, because, well, I can't exactly get the battery soundtrack. And it's not responding. Why isn't it responding? And I think you've just witnessed the death of Flying Scotsman on live video. Isn't that just fantastic? Right, Scotsman just died on the video. That's great. So today, guys, we are reviewing William the Conqueror, originally known as Flying Scotsman. I promise this isn't a different locomotive, it's the same one. Definitely it's the same one. And, here we go. Oh, look, yeah. I promise this is Flying Scotsman. Like, Oh, blimmin' heck. So I want to say it flew by. I'm just going to give it a little... I'm going to give it a little forward. Right, I think we should do a little 360. Oh, right, do a little 360 of the locomotive. Just because, well, we can. Sorry, I don't seem to be very good at railing these. But I'll just on the side. Okay, we'll go check in a second. But here we have... Obviously, before this became William the Conqueror, it was the Flying Scotsman. It just came with no numbers and no name on it. So I got the bright idea to kind of name it as my own and kind of make my own engine. This will be... I'll get some vinyl and I'm going to put like numbers on it and give it a kind of nameplate. But yeah. So I'm pretty sure this is a 70s model. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure this is from the 70s. It's a R855. Obviously chuffing tender. And I think this might be... I'm not sure if they did it the same way back in the 70s or not. But using modern terms, I'm pretty sure this would be more a railroad kind of model, because railroad is the more less detailed, cheaper version of the engines. Because this is also, the one that just died, is also a R855. But you can see on the wheels on here are much more detailed. It's a much nicer kind of matte finish. Obviously you can see it's more kind of... Well, they do look pretty similar, I'll admit that. Maybe they're not much different, maybe it's just a different type of paint, but this one's also got more detail, having the actual white stripes on it. And if I'm not wrong, this actually has its red lining on the side. Oh, that's just missing its buffers. This is a bit of a repair job. Tell you what, we'll give it a little test here now. So this is basically just a review of two different engines in my collection. And sorry if you keep hearing random noises, because I am not exactly alone. I do have the two other people associated with this channel on call with me. But it doesn't seem like they wanted to comment, so they kind of just sat in silence. No. Yeah, so this is basically just died, which isn't great. Tell you what, try and make this video a little bit more interesting, and we're actually gonna have a look inside of the locomotive. quite simple to take apart a train. So obviously, you don't have to take off the bogies. I just decided to do it because it makes it just easier overall to kind of, well, get access into it. And you won't get any problems with bogies smacking around while you're trying to kind of test it and stuff. Sorry if it's not great quality. So we're just going to carefully turn this over. And here's the shell off. And here we have the innards of the locomotive. Now, if you are watching this, you're going to see the motor, a bit of the motor, and you go, oh, that doesn't look great. You can see it looks like it might be melting. I am going to be getting a replacement motor for it. So that'll be fun. But for now, what I've learned is if you rotate this a little bit, very gently, don't touch the copper. You rotate it very gently. Now, I choose to hold on to plastic. When you do this, after a little rotations, as you saw earlier, it wasn't moving off when given power. Oh, has it died completely this time? We may have actually, the entire train might have just died. Or the batteries run out of power. Either one. This does not look good. Right, so what we're now going to try is have a, let's see if it's the train or the battery. Oh, the battery might have actually died already, which isn't ideal. Well, that's annoying. I didn't think it would die so soon, but maybe model trains take quite well, suck up its power more than I thought. I do have power track, but that's almost how I'm not exactly gonna bother with it for this video. Oh. It's very simple to put back together. There's this little plastic clip. You just literally simply push it into place. And that's that bit done. Hold it upright, grab the screw, stick it right back in. Now luckily I thought the entire engine just died on me. But it's only the battery, so that's, well, good sign. I haven't just completely lost an engine. So if you ever do what I do and use 9-volt batteries, make sure you buy a good pack of them, because it seems they die quite quickly, because I've only had them, well, I haven't really had them that long either. I've had the battery the same amount of time I've had this locomotive itself. Or I've just been excessively using it a bit too much, which may have been the problem. But, oh, right, I did not see what just happened. I promise you it didn't just fall into the... It's hard to do this because I need something to hold up right while also trying to thread the screw in. Right, what I'll do is we'll very gently lean this up here, and then very gently shift So, kind of trying to lean that up there. And simply just thread it through. For me, you'll probably know what to do. You just have a bow on and boom, the chain's complete back together again. So I'm not going to do that bit on the video. All this basically was is I just wanted to stick a video out, to kind of introduce everyone to the channel, do that, do this, a bit of that, you know. This isn't quite like the videos that I've done on R&D coins, because, well, as I said, I'm not quite sure what to do for this channel yet. But more videos will come out, and I'll have more idea, hopefully, for the next video, for what to do. But yeah, that'll be about it. If you have actually managed to watch through this very long, boring video, then, you know, like, subscribe, comment if you want, and make sure you check out R&D coins, because that's where most of our content is. But for now, that's about it. Goodbye.